My name is Clarence Terpstra. I'm the floor supervisor at the Gleaners at 40 Industrial Road, Leamington. What we're doing is making a soup mix out of dehydrated food for world hunger. So we're bringing in produce from local farmers, whatever, potatoes, and some even from further away, PEI. It's seconds produce, whatever, and then we're utilizing it by gleaning it, cleaning it up, dicing it, dehydrating it, and making it into soup mix. Right now we're working on stuff for Ukraine, so that's very important. We just sent them a bunch of skids, I think 12 skids, and we've got another 12 to go. So Willsie has supplied us with some of our machinery, and the main one being the washer is our biggest and most important, I would say, thing that has to happen here, because we need that product cleaned up as best as possible. So it used to be that they were doing things literally by hand, washing and into tubs, whatever, and putting them onto the machine. Now we can run, 5,000 pounds a day through the washer and get it done. Currently, you've seen on some of the barrels we have numbers. So in 10 years, we've done 4,255 barrels, I believe. But I see a big increase in production right now. So far, working with the Willsie equipment, it's been fantastic. Availability as far as parts and that has been awesome. We generally, we're running that machine, the washer especially right now, almost from 7 a.m. until 12 o'clock, which is a good day, continuously with really no issues. Just keep her going and not a problem. That's awesome, good equipment.